Today on Judge Porter.
Parking tickets and something about a car?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, are you trying to tell this court that you're irresponsible when you park your car?
I know it doesn't make sense, Your Honor. I mean, 4 times to get a ticket in the same area. I know it doesn't make sense.
Okay. Hello, everyone. We're here for case number 9801, Mango Park versus Monque Wilcox. I don't have anyone here from Mango Park, but I do have Miss Wilcox, I presume. This is something involving some parking tickets and something about a car?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, tell me about these parking tickets. Why are you getting parking tickets, first off?
I got several parking tickets, Your Honor.
Do you have a number? Because my computer's down, so I can't look it right now.
4.
4. Miss Wilcox, ma'am, are you trying to tell this court that you're irresponsible when you park your car?
Not at all. Not at all.
What's going on?
There were no signs in the vicinity. And when I say no, there were no signs.
Okay, did you receive these citations in the same location?
I did.
Okay, and where was this?
I live in Mango Park East.
Okay. But where were you parked? Well, I'm asking, where were you parked? Were you parked in front of a business or you live in an apartment complex?
An apartment building, yes.
Okay, so you parked in front of your complex.
Yes.
And there are no signs there.
So I thought it was an accident. I know it doesn't make sense, Your Honor. I mean, 4 times to get a ticket in the same area. I know it doesn't make sense, but I'm just so busy with my son.
So this isn't on the property of the complex? This is like
sir.
On the roadway?
Yes.
And you received parking citations in the same?
Yes, Your Honor.
You said East Mango Park Apartments? Is that where this happened?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, and I guess someone ran your tag, found out that you had outstanding parking citations, and they had your car towed, correct?
My car was towed.
Okay. What's the story with you said something about a tow yard?
Your Honor, after my parking tickets and the car was towed, my car was stolen from the lot, from the tow yard. My car was stolen.
I'm sorry. Your car was at the tow yard and it was stolen from the tow yard?
Yes.
Okay. That's different. What did the tow company tell you about that?
They said they are not responsible. Their lost and stolen policy says they're not responsible.
They're not responsible.
And they refuse to do anything about my car. They're not responsible to replace it.
For your car being stolen off their property?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. That's kind of strange, but we're going to get back to that. As far as how have you been maintaining since this occurred?
Your Honor, it's been hard. 10 miles to work, from work, train, 2 buses, and I had to walk several miles.
Okay. I'm still stuck on this tow yard thing. What? Do you have insurance on this car?
I do. I do.
Okay. Have you explained to your insurance company what the story of the car and why it's not in your possession anymore?
Your Honor,
and I'm not talking about the car getting towed. I'm talking about the car being stolen. Have you explained that to your insurance company?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay, and what did they say?
I called and I filed a claim. They have yet to review my claim. They will not answer the phone.
Have you made contact with the Mango Park Police Department about your car being stolen?
I did not.
Okay, why?
I was waiting on my insurance company, Suncoast.
Okay.
Because that's the level of, that's how I have to go about it. I have to go to them first.
I understand that, but here's the problem, okay? I don't know if you've foreseen this, but if your car gets stolen, okay, and you're having a tow yard saying, we've got nothing to do with it, blah, blah, blah. And let's say that particular person who's now driving your car, if they accumulate some parking citations, or they accumulate some moving citations, or if they get into an accident in your car, you're going to need a paper trail of some sort to say, hey, look, well, you got the paper trail that shows when your car was towed.
Right.
Okay, and we got the paper trail that shows that it was on the property. But from the time it was at the tow yard till the time that the car is recovered, there's some things that may or may not occur.
Okay.
I don't want those things to be held on, I don't want you to be held accountable for those things. And you said telling me that your insurance company has not made contact with you, or?
No, sir. I have contacted them multiple times and they will not answer my calls. And like I said, they have yet to review my claim.
Oh, okay.
Because I have access online and they have not reviewed my claim.
Interesting. Interesting. You mind if I make a phone call?
Sure.
Give me a second. Hello, Sanchez. It's Porter. How you doing? Yeah, I'm on the bench right now. Look, I have a young lady in my court who's telling me that her car was stolen from the Mango Park tow yard. Hold on. How long ago did this happen, ma'am?
It was 2 months ago.
2 months ago. Oh. And you've heard of something like this before. Well, how come no one ever told me? Okay, look, here's the situation. Her name is Monque Wilcox. There should be some type of invoice as to when the car was brought to the tow yard. Can you find out why that car is not on that yard? Because she's saying the car was stolen. And if the car is stolen, I want to know why they did not file a police report with us. Yeah, of course. Exactly. All right. Call me back when you get a chance. Bye. All right, look, that was an officer that works for Mango Park. He's going to look into the situation with the tow yard as far as why the car is not there anymore. I'm going to make sure that they file a police report as to why that car was stolen. So like I said earlier, if there is something involving fines or accidents or anything that happens since that car has been removed from the tow yard, you will not be held responsible for that. I think that's just ridiculous. Now, as far as the parking citations in front of your complex, if there are no signs there, okay, then do you happen to have any photos or anything to show me?
I don't, Your Honor. I apologize, but there are no signs there, none. And even when the car was towed, I told the guy, I was like, do you see any signs? Do you see any signs? He's like, no, but you're not supposed to park here. And, you know, I had my son with me. He was rude. My son is 6. He doesn't understand. I'm a single mom.
All right. Based on everything that you've told me, including the car being stolen, I'm going to give you some leniency, and I'm going to waive the parking citations on your behalf, because right now my biggest concern is where's this car.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do for you, how long have you said 2 months you've been going through this?
Yes.
And Suncoast hasn't contacted you?
No.
All right. Okay. Give me a second, ma'am. Give me 1 second. Give me a second. This is what I'm going to do for you. Give me 1 second. All right. So what we're going to do, can you come up to the bench, please, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Here you go. You know what that is?
No.
That's a check from our personal account. It's $3,000. Okay. All right. So now you don't have to worry about your expenses until we can get this thing resolved with your car and your insurance company. Okay.
Oh my God, Your Honor,
All right,
thank
but
you
here's the
so
thing.
much.
But here's the thing. All right. In the meantime, we're gonna find out what the story is with your insurance company, because guess what? They're gonna pay me back. All right. They're gonna pay me back. I can't just be giving away money. I'm a married man. I don't want my wife leaving me because I'm doing a good deed. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
Suncoast
sir.
is going to pay me back once we find out why they're not doing what they need to do as far as your car is concerned, okay?
Oh my goodness, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Can I have a hug, please?
I guess, yeah, sure. Give me a second. Let me come around. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. And your case is dismissed.
I'm so excited. Judge Porter really outdid himself today. $3,000 and my tickets dismissed? It is a great day. My son will eat good tonight. Thank you, Judge Porter.